Spoken English conversation. Subscribe please.
V1 base form nag. V2 past form nagged. V3 past participle nagged. V4 present par, nagging. V5 SES nags. Question 1. What is the base form of the verb nag? Answer. The base form of the verb nag is nag. Question 2. What is the past form of the verb nag? Answer. The past form of the verb nag is nagged. Question 3. What is the past participle of the verb nag? Answer. The past participle of the verb nag is nagged. Question 4. What is the present participle of the verb nag? Answer. The present participle of the verb nag is nagging. Question 5. What is the third person singular SES of the verb nag? Answer. The third person singular SES of the verb nag is nags.
Verb forms. Example sentences.
V1 She tends to nag when things don't go as planned. V2 Yesterday, she nagged me about completing my chores. V3 They have often nagged him about time management. V4 She is always nagging about small details. V5 He nags constantly about the state of the kitchen.
Subscribe my channel.